Omworeko gw'ebyobwegyese ahari Ntare School omurimbara.
Omu butumwa bwa mukuru w'ihanga w'omushomirwa minisita w'ebyakarimagezi hamwe n'okuhabura ihanga Chris bari omunsi aha kwigura omworeko gw'ebyobwegyese ahari Ntare School, President Museveni nayenda ngu abanyamyogo omu byobwegyese bebembeze okushomesa za karimagezi hamwe n'okucondoza omu by'emirimo yabo.
That your life, your future is in your hands. It is up to you to squeeze it and you kill it. It is up to you to lift it and you fly high, high and high into the skies. So the leadership of Ntare School is organizing all this, the expo, to give you to empower you.
If you want Uganda to develop, what we are doing today is great for that cause.
Minisita bari omunsi onashabira bejo okukoresa omugisha gw'okuba omu mashomero okwombekanya ensya yabo. Omworeko gw'ebyobwegyese ogwesurwa Education and Career Expo 2025 kandi n'ogw'omurundi gw'okubanza omu ihanga kandi ogugendereire kutangariza abeegi emigisha hamwe n'okubahabura emihanda egororokire omu rugyendo rw'okushoma kwabo.
It's just the beginning. This is the first expo you have ever had about education.
Parents care for their own parents and children. Unfortunately, for the big generation, majority are still struggling to find their feet at age 30. They find it difficult to do things on their own because they are used to it.
Ntare School is one of the centers of excellence that we have as a ministry, and everything good should be rolled first in those centers of excellence.
Ubwo tukiri aha by'omworeko eriizooba amashomero agarukurenga omuri 6 kurwa omu ihanga gayeterana ahari Ntare aha mworeko gw'ebyobwegyese ogurikumanywa nka Education and Career Expo 2025 ogurikuza kumara ebiro 4.
National Enterprise Corporation, their commercial arm in the Ministry of Defense and Veteran Affairs, (PDF), they have donated today 100 cartons of Uzima water, natural mineral water, which they make, yes, in UPDF.
Twareta amizi ga Uzima ecupa 2024 nitumanya ngo abantu abari hano bingi kandi ubu n'obwire bw'umushana nabaza kunywa gabase okubayamba.
And we can't take it for granted. We sincerely want to thank them, the head, General Mujira, an old boy of Ntare School. Want to thank the PRO, Fande James Katongana, and the team marketing officer. They are there. Want to thank them for this huge contribution.
Yangu amizaga ngeja kugira omugasho munonga ahabana n'abari ahabona abajaho mu expert.
Omworeko gutangiriza izooba rya nyamwebazi kandi nuguza kwaho izooba ryo rwa mukaga esandeji omugani makuru g'ebyobwegyese abaziire omu rukinoono rwa mpara bashabirwe kutamana omu kushomesa abaana babo kandi okushaba okuhirweyo Javan Rwamafa orukukora nka chairman wa boda aha bw'ishomero rya Kinoni Girls aha mukoro gw'okwakira Robert Gavinizada omujungu rw'omu ihanga rya Sweden orukurambura Robert Project ezakora ibishomerere zimazeho sente zirikwingana miliyoni 100 omu sente za Uganda.
Girls are our future. When we can give a good education to our girls, they can raise to happy and healthy women and produce healthy children.
So we have managed to receive close to 100 million from her and her family and friends in Malmo particularly and Sweden.
Projects ezikozirwaho ishomerere zirimo kwombeka ekiyungu ky'omurembe za tanka z'amizi hamwe n'ebindi.
As girls, we are very grateful. We have had that kitchen. We have cooked delicious meals from there. We are very healthy as girls. That is what every person appreciates in Chinani Girls. The girls are very healthy.
We are happy today that we got a new visitor from Sweden. The lady we have been hearing of.
Ngeni tushababazire n'abandi bantu supporting ishomero rya Kinoni Girls irutinde kabishi irubarugemwe berge bishiburunji kandi bokwija kugira umugasho.
Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza Senyomo Gideon hamwe na Abdukalim Sengendo.
Abaturo mu rukagwa Kibari umugombora yandije mu district ya Rwampara nebetombwitira abembezi babo abo bari kugira ngo banagirira umubyo buhereza abo kugira munonga nebetombwitire nguto heziba kugira ngo zikazikakare kandi nobagira ngo ekiriyo nikizingamye byentunguka.
Banyuma y'imyaka 5 ku Rwampara tunga ekitenisa cha district omurukanka Kibare omurindija enguto zikarara kandi iki kiteganisa abatura kutambuza ebyemushuburo yabo.
Oruguto rukuruga hariya masantura kwikaha tuturantubwe nabona n'oruguto mbano twantushaba mu tukorere kuruga masantura kuze ngorogoro twine y'ebihingwa byitu twine yo mwani twine y'entoke turiyo tubuzira nko kubirabye
gabaga rya mizi ndio turagaheruka kugabona yaberye nguto ndagira ngo gerateho no kuba kandi nkamashanyarazi go turagahurura baragagamba
muna bembezi bititomba tinguma yaba tubaranguna bankayi yatumanya yose tubarbantu itomba no kumanya no mucyako
no babatura bagerezeho kwekorera burungi bwansi tikiri kumara batine mukono gwa government
jana sirindigana zo baratubihabe hisa konkanyo nkabe najya kutubo kwe turemanya bakaitire no mutuba kwatira nenkoni hobwe chabasika tuburwa nabembezi ninga tugumiza muko twefukiro
bazima ntutero bururu hatu tugize ngo turatere karuru ahabweje mihanda urugama santura kwisha kushikandija kunu yacheska ya kabiri omungorogoro ororguto tubona bwine munonga.
Kansala wa district ya Rwampara koronizamanya akiro myanya itari mu mbera nungi kandi araganiso kutwara inshongezi omukanso okureba ko abatura bahwerwa
kandi iyo buyambu turukwenda twenda ko byo kubisa hweka abanika sente abani cyo kujya amazima yitwa abantu nimwe turenterebera mutoje kubiha mu school fees z'abana natwashowe tukumanya kuturabahere tameji
onke sente bakajaza irya account kabatakuzireta bakakorera abantu mbenda bwo murtindo nabana bishome tubashoma ahabwa mizi gatwire bintu byona abana bagwa mu biya muno mwane rijo
gashaka kuri sofa himbisiwe
Mugace nshiragandi okujingire empapura z'ebyo wegese okayembarira z'ebishobobo hamwe n'abakozi ba government okosha yoshamermo shangirwe ngu ne bimwe ahabiri abikanyere ombakozi ba district ya Ntoroko aba bahawirwe okwindura hankora yabo bakabasa kusyuhereza burungi abantu.
Ebi byagambwe rizuba umurukiko office ya Karishorisho wa government yagiraho n'abakozi ba district ya Ntoroko okuganira hamikorre yabo kandi na nemiringo yakutebwaho kureba ngo ensho bizaterera okurigera hari rodine ahebwa orukora office ya Karishorisho bwa foot patrol nagira ngo emishangwe myinjero mu kugengera empapura z'ebyo bwegese okwayembarira y'ebishobobo hamwe na nebindi
abantu bana baza kufuna emirimo nibareta papura academic documents papura biko babijingirire amwe bana bakora accountability government yamara kwa sente nabo bareta receipts zitakorega aba service providers zibazingirire konka cases zizo zya kuzikoronka office
ahebwa nagira ngo n'ababine impapuro ziri kubicereza kubahamira umo yabo ibyo gukora bakabirugaho bwa rubanda na ruzije
abamwe tukababinga abakozi ba government hariho umwe abakwete umwami muzani Kenneth tukiye twamutwara mu koti ya Ntoroka kote mu convictingire district ya Mbinga
omucyange cya Rwenzori cyonka esente ziri kurenga muri miliyoni 400 zahirize kucungurwa kuragaha abantu aba aga Moses orumukuru w'abakozi ba district ya Ntoroko nagira ngo harimo nakora cyone cyo kubasika okureba ngo emize yo kosha kw'abakozi otireho no kuryangatanisa sente byarekeraho.
For me, I'm not going to allow that. The good thing now, I'm still getting money to address some of those issues. I've already made a submission. The minister was here. There were teachers who were over-recruited, over 40 again. So we have 27. I've already declared what vacancies, 27 positions.
try to see how best we can harmonize.
Some group asks for money from PDM that they are going for intervention X, but they end up using this money for other things, like buying personal belongings, like smartphones, like TVs.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.
Webale Jonathan twaza kumuraho tugaruka na Agacencwire gandi.
Onyino busasi bwinji munonga agoro rubare akubanyo mufakazi abana nyine batano binene babona tibe turyamani gomwani no rutokeze shaha tinyini fe na ruguru abana bajyo mashomero nyina mwenja ngo hatku barabahereze bababinga basitame tinyina cyo gukora government tuyame abo kuba mazima ndi kubi tinkabiha.
Obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese nibukukibwaho
Bumbire Secondary School
nziro rukundeba ninkushaba ngu tumanye okukuza abana bitu ombyomberi n'ebyomwoyo eka kukitwara ngo kushaba n'omukazi wawe mu kishenge nicyo kikuru ubundi abana okashanga omwanya gwo kushaba bari aha TV twege kushaba nabo kituretere okubamanyiza ningo kubatamu okutina ruhanga kandi tumango okutina ruhanga nubwo butandikiro bw'obwenge na no kuhangura mu magara g'enseji.
Obuhabuzi ahabyo bwegese bwabana bukukibwaho Bumbire Secondary School.
Omurebe wa TV West wanomanya nti embarira nekikuru ombaramu bwitu sente zone ziwakwata ofuna omushahara wanozibarirage nikikuyambaho omu bintu byawe byokuba nokora buriijo kandi na n'okwetebekanisiza nyingi.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushuma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetungiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda omumisha hishomero ebirukiraho terera notu mushanje ibiri kinana neina 13 Kaganitano Ogambe na Academic Registrar Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving Yakwera otamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni noshumura kushemererwa ohurobunuzi na nobusinje noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
Rigenda yakini cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushisha nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa mutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywa de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iyo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Osmosis again. Osmosis tried to pay. Money wasn't enough. He checked every pocket. Money wasn't enough. Osi, we're sorting it. With the momo, we're sorting it. Osmosis checked again. Money still not enough. He looked everywhere. But
here? What is going on?
Osi, we sorting it. With the momo, we sorting it.
Sita za uzazi takumara. We sorting na MTN momo. Kwesa momo app ninga shonyege star igana kaga ni 5 star 5 hash ukongeraho na momo advance kandi ushashure bills usindike sente ninga shogure bundles.
Rose from Nempaka Shekaronji. Para Rose Spring, Rose from Ejini Big Dokuro Sas Mukashish, Nikuko Masaji, Gomuchiro.
Renko mwerere n'umfaratsi gw'umutindo kandi nuguhangara umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho urkwenda Resform insiyebero toburunji.
Manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo
na wampesi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine kanaba murungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje
Tumu Medical Institute irashangwa muri Rugongo Karongo Buhweju District barakira beja bojona beshiki okwija kushoma certificate y'obunasi nursing certificate y'obuzalisa midwifery diploma y'obunasi extension diploma y'obuzalisa extension itele chole handisiwe mu bwijire omu ministry y'obwegesi nemizano kandi na center number okuruga mu Unimap itendekero ginentandisa bwo buherezo skills lab ejire byo kushomeraho abashomeza batende kigweji library jire bitabo internet na wifi ya bushabwa beje na staff igwariro ryo kuragurira beje bagwara intambura ya bushabwa beje babarahumura na babarahumuruka ebyo kurya biri fresh kuruga mu famu zitendekero abeje bona baratunga buraro bwa busha umwanya ni muhango kandi gwehererire abwa beje kushoma kurunje abeje barashoma certificate barashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.50 aba diploma bashashura sirinje miliyoni 1.3 okumenya birakiraho tera not mushanju 5 mushanju nshanju ni 5 nshanju ni 3 ikumineyo excellent innovation and diversity in health.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, rolex, sumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, ecanyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaro, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kandi echo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing, hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona negabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses. Netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0 mwenda mukaga mwenda 0 5
ya yosente karoni
tukora projects nyingi cyo kubanza ekatwa esente twagura empunezi ate empunezi uzukuzara tuyamwe byana tubuguza tugaza n'ezindi ekindi ezempunu tukazuguza pate emwe twagura mwente ate enteriya ntuyihamu amasha tukora mu bayogasi tuha bayosirare tugaraka tujwanziyo mbyo kurya byempunu ushanga zirya hanzirya kandi tuyihamu maniwa tutanone tumbeje
igarabu weju tifama sako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera noti mushanju munana mukaga noti 13 noti 2 Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad namashemerwa menje nitutabarusi ababona abatungire visas kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena ngwemihendo yitu tugishazireho mpaka ari shilingi miliyoni 2.9 visa na air ticket byona bihwire kandi nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abujuna bishiki emyaka 21 okwikariya na 5 okwera cha Kenyonyi Dubai emirimo ka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amataji git gona esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe 2 3 4 5 mukaga ninga noti mushanju ina 5 ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi
mugacencira gecwekeki government yarukurabero ministry y'ebya kanyabwenge yaganise kuhagira enkore ya artificial intelligence eyo netebekanisibwa okuzomarwa rogo no mwihanga okwera habashaho babana bakebera abantu ebigambirwe akuhendera ko mushomago bya teknologiya ubwo murundo gwa kabiri ogutebekanisibwa bambarira University of Science and Technology ogubire aha Las Vegas Hotel umulimbarira City.
omushomo ogu gubire gutebekanisibwa hansi y'enkora ya Mbara University Data Science Research Hub n'ekigendererwa cyo kureba uko enkora ya artificial intelligence yajwarana no kutungura eby'amagara omu ihanga.
We recognize the valuable contributions of the hub to the Uganda's need and healthcare specifically transformation, so the ministry is fully committed to supporting the endeavors of the hub.
Aruha masikongo enkora gineja kuhera okutungura eby'amagara omu ihanga.
The hub is helping to position Uganda as a regional leader in AI-driven healthcare research. This really fits into the strategy.
So the tools that we have created are going to increase in terms of helping support the diagnosis of these different diseases.
Rose Nakasi omukugumbya artificial intelligence okuruga Makerere University ayorekera ko enkora artificial intelligence izire kuhera omukutungura eby'amagara.
And we usually want to take it like a decision support tool that is going to help, for example, if a person has been, diagnosing so many patients.
Haruha abantu abino kwerarikirira ngo enkora artificial intelligence yorekere kuba marahe mirimo konke Rose Nakasi takigurikize misho.
If an artificial intelligence system is able to support them, then that means on the positive end we are looking at it as something that is able, to support the work they are doing rather than replace them.
Omushomo gugubye gutebekanisibwa hansi y'omuramwa oguru kugira ngo reimagining artificial intelligence, mitigating the bias, fostering creative and harmonizing policy for equitable AI in health. Aba TV West and Adolf Ireka.
Abahingi abarkwegitiro mu bina byo buhingi no burisa mu district ya Chegegwa bahirweza tukutuku zibahwereho omutware bihingwa byabo omu butare ekikozerwe n'ikigendererwa cyo kutungura ebyo buhingi no burisa mu district egi eriyemu hari yezo ezero kutuze mpungi.
Okugaba tukutuku ezukorirwa mu tawuni ya Chegegwa kandi tukutuku 13 nizo zigaburwa bw'abatura bari kutunga 12 kandi empungi zihirwa 2.
Mwina kutwara ubunanizibwa
ebindi bigaburwa harimo minzani 3 obwoma bwo kupima obufuco mu misharuro kandi ebihirwa ekitongore cya World Food Program kikwatanitse n'ekitongore cya Ripple Effect.
We are humbled by the support that we received from the USAID that has enabled us to be able to contribute a subsidy worth 67% as the community contribute 33% towards various items.
Abo kutunga ebikwate babiri nibashashura ebicweka 37 harigana rire ekitongore kibatwera ebicweka 63
kandi ntunihira nibajya gukora enkurakurana kutwara ebintu ebirime byabo mu katare bitakakyebwa nshima ebitongore bikora mu nsuhuki abukwa bituyambire muno mukore ngudo bituyambire pombeka amarwaro
babene batunde bicoli mu makagabo mazigati gabo hatsazi nibatunga entambura nibajya kubivuga babicaye hino rugudo niko bagenda ha price enungi ibarashobora kugoboramu omuhendo gutali go kunyigirizibwa
kwihantongera guterera abantu basobora kwikozesa kurungi batagenda kwihimba sente zo busuma kandi bayirorero bwerasiskara bagitekemu ebikwetagisa nuko kiri kintu cyabo
bamomba hirwe tuk hamwe n'ibindi bikwato basimire ripple effect hamwe na World Food Program
simya ripple effect agukutiyamba kwateraho abo buhinji bwitu n'ubushobozi bwitu
tukuniza kutuyamba twasupotinga ebihimba byaitu ebicholi no kuha abamemba b'emirimo kumani bafuna sente
omugani makuru abahinji b'omwana mu district ya Rubirizi nibashabwa kugirira karumwe kibahwera okutungura akatare k'omwana mu district egi abahinji abarkwegitira mu kigombe kya Rwanda Local Farmers Society Limited omugombora ya Kichwamba nibagira ngo aho batandikire kwegita hine mpinda hindukeroho
nyoni ndeba ngo ni kihango ekimpinduireho kubanga entasya nanyeji nkanta jine sofa nguziremu empunu nyine yente yanje okomuka nendetera mate njihiro mwana omu nkagura mwe pichi yanje eyinkozesa ahamirimo yanje omwana ogu
abakwanora bakatandika baro bake konka burijo bani bagumana bakora nibeyongera omu cooperative nindangu ekiroto cyabo nahibeyocherire no kureba ngo bayongera mutindo na namasharura gati gomwani kugira ngo shange ngo mu Uganda Rubirizi niye kwasa kuturetera ryo mwani ogubonire kandi ogurumwinzi abakwana basa kuba ino mwana ogurumwinzi konka gutabonira
aba batandikire no kongera umutinda acingwa cyo mwani
nobemba kuteka ntundubari enyanika enonge y'umurembe kandi na n'umwana okugumana kuremera kandi ukagira na nakawuka buntu nobo kwanuka hakitimba
na mwenu ogo atweze kutunga order y'umwana ugo kwingana 200 kilos kurwo mu ihangari ya United Arab Emirates twenda kuronda abanda bakubasa gutukarangira kunka kikabe cyo kirungi twaguye karangira tukomonitaringa quality yagwe tukamikinga shongu ekitwakora n'ikikiri kunka twine cyoma cyo kubasa gukaranga
amakora gagasha kwa Philip Marangira na Onesmus ndiya nabo
umugandi ekitongore kiri kureberera entambura y'enyonyi cya Civil Aviation Authority kitandikire ehuru yo kwegesa abantu baburijo ahakuba kubasa kutwaza haba habarukireho butanduye enyonyi mbicweka byabo ehuru regi etandikire mu district ya Isingiro hamwe na Ntungamo
okushomoka kubiro mu districts za Isingiro na Ntungamo kandi abantu abetabiro mu mishomeji bashomesibwe kibine gukora nka habaho butanduye enyonyi
so cyabaho nka Isingiro so twine kushanga kiraba kiri kirungi kushanga ngo abantu bayisingiro baramenye cyo gukora ikintu kecho cyabagwaho akuba ubutandute kubanza yarangira nikibasa kuba Isingiro nikibasa kuba barara nikibasa kuba nkahi
and a fracture if you have the skills. Okay? We can help this guy, we can help this one, and this one who's not breathing. If we assess them and who's not breathing, we can, as we wait for the ambulance, we can still do something for them, and that is CPR. The doctor knows.
Haruho abantu abakorisa kagishaka okushaba ngo bahebwe cyayi cyenyonyi na munongo mu district ya Ntungamo.
Ko director kurwa kuno mama narugaha muzee de president naruga kunuya nicyo tukabentusha banka district ya Ntungamo ruriya re nito baturetera icyayi cyendeje
haba hari byo kurandinga nikarandinga ntungamo
kabiri ncyenda tube twine cyayi cyendege abantu bije bateka momo ndungamo nensi y'ebyo burambuze rihihi na boda ya Rwanda rihihi na boda ya Kongo rihihi na boda eri n'amahamba agatuwarizamo no mugera gwakagera n'ibintu byinji munonge eby'abantu bashimira kwija kurambura
niyo nko muntu nyamuntu ukuboye nitaka oyine cyetengo cyo kutandika kisha oyine itaka lyawe noja Entebbe ugamba nipe tukereba ko wakubasa kora ki kutandika kishaha wawe ko muntu
aha bwa TV West and Elias Aritugusa na Ruthon Wamanya.
Bazagaruka twumureho kake otarigaho.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa ukwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona Agacencwire tina events nibashangwa ahacombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omuri Mbarara City okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga hatano n'itano chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe
konga shunze kanibo kira kweshongora totera yo kamu
ichenda ngonywe kabiriti wamara kunywa kabiriti nuhurira waba kurungi amagara gona waba kabiriti ichenda ngonywe kabiriti uri muntu najibuza kabiriti ambakubeire waka amara kunywa kabiriti nuhurira waba kurungi amagara gona waba kabiriti energy drink ora kacunchumuro kanywe karakumaliriho kandi karanywebwa buri muntu wena abarenda kushubura kariyo maduka no masupermarket gono mwihanga heresime yazuru mushanju 5 chenda nibiri anani 5
Bumbeire Secondary School Day and Boarding iri kushangwa Bumbeire Bushenyi District ekwiniro bwegese burungi kandi bwo mutindo gwa higuru binabashomesa abatendekirweje abeji nibahikira hidara rya higuru buri mwaka nirimwo mu mashomero agari kwijagebembire Bushenyi District. Bumbeire Secondary School ine library na laboratory na computer lab ziri kwemalirira ahabwa abeji kandi zirya mutindo gwa ministry yebyo bwegese. Bumbeire Secondary School ehandikise na ministry yebyo bwegese bine UNEB center number emyanya kiriho okurwo munsi niya yo kubanza okwiko munsi niya yakana 2025 kumanye biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju 2 ashatu na mwenda 21 23 ugambe na director Mr. Barahuka Denning.
Wait, you drink and drive? Neda afande, ene muri kugira abantu ndabuganda kumbucha. When nani there is a new product you have on market. Afando ga Buganda premium lika. Afando nywa mu wekani wanu wacha wewe. Imbwene acha ushinda rabushinda abasajja bucyanga bakora. Bakoze Buganda premium lika ukawulinde kanu kapya.
Ababugende kombucha bakafuru mu kuyiya nateba kuletedde ekipya Buganda premium lika. Ona sukulume kubyokunywa ebirala mu bwomo mu wevu atetaleta hangover. Buganda Premier League atono ya itilide ekyokunywa ekisukkulumye.
Lyantonde School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabeje mwena abahereza senior ya kana hamwe na senior ya mukaga kwija kwehandikisa ahabwa amashomo ga certificate hamwe na diploma ombunansi obuzarisa hamwe na lab technology. Omwejo rukwenda omwanya oshemerire kuba kiciro kubara orujungu hamwe ne bya science kandi orukwenda kushoma diploma oshemeye kuba noboyine certificate. Ishemero narushangwa Lyantonde aharuguto nyijendwa orwa Masaka Mbarara. Ntuza kugaba hafu basare ku rugo mu bwakabaka bwa Buganda. Okumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanju 5 mukaga anani 3 chenda nina 10 neinga noti mushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na mwenda.
Mommy?
Yes?
At school, our babane. Everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Dabye mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kansinage bampakingire sa.
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Musei gwabadde omulwadde katoli ku ndongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Luvera Chawuda drink. Kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati katyebule. Mutobo okolola okotyongoka kwata kano.
Musei kano bakayita batya?
Pineapple Chawuda drink kakamuddwa mu nanansi.
Bojo
mutobo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga.
Bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi.
Kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi.
Ye naye nenfuna ow'amaanyi. Utammira ku soda drink. N'abawala nabo banywa obutamu.
Na hatutokikirize ngurika shemerire kutandika kwega hatusorinzira ngo abanze yamero ruju ahari Aliana Junior School twehire kutebekanisa no kwegesa umwana wawe tukamushomesa kandi tukamugunjura kurungi twine nasare na primary okwehandikisa bwo mwaka gwa 2025 kuriyo no kugenda misho ahambuga nkuru zishomero rwebihurosero korano rya town council Mbarara City abashomesa bitu nemiria abana nibareberwa kurungi kandi byo kwerinda bimemize shonda zona nangu nebisere byishomero nibasibwa buri yomwe okwenda kumanya birukiraho 07 9 na mwenda 27
Aliana Junior School, a great start.
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. Ishomero lyonka ericyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma omu diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekika higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi shomereri rahamibwe ministry eyobwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma go kushomeramo ebitabo obukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odaka kiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanye birukukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri ukaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
St. Agnes Girls School.
St. Agnes Girls Secondary School ni ryishomero rya elevo yonka ry'abiki kandi ryo muntu buntu mu Uganda yona nirishangwa mitazigana ahari gutonyegenda rwa bushenyi shaka heyi n'amaduka ga St. Kagwa ni ryakira beji abedini zone kandi ritwire rye cyo kureberaho umukoraje bigezo bya senior ya mukaga mu myaka 19 y'iryamara umbuhereza ishomero bino buhereza burungi kabashomesa batendekirweje security ninungi nibaryaje binemice mirunge kukirayo binamashanyarazi amiza garukumara hamwe na DSTV. St. Agnes Girls Secondary School bakizire kwejumbira mu nongo mbyo bwegese hamwe n'ebyemizano kompira gwebigero gwabiki ogwengaro ogwekitimba okweshongora hamwe n'endijo mizano mingi manya ibya St. Agnes Girls Secondary School tibikwayo wenda kumanya biri kukiraho gamba na headmistress hasimu note mushanju 82 anana mukaga atano na mushanju ashatu na
mukirira lukarakala oba lusumbu ibwendwadde zabulingeri okuluwonya Franklin Zabojeri goli n'okwekwata mulimu ebikolo by'eddagala ery'obutonde ebirikuuma Franklin Zabojeri yeyekka asangibwa mu supermarket ne maduuka gonna omusuubuzi kuba ku 0702 22 739.
Mwenu basebo na munyabo echo kunywe kitwa kibwini kandi ni kirungi twena hamwe echo kunywe cha Escort Premium G kiri kuteza mutwe nicyo humuraje kiri kuleta hangover kandi kina kahoho karungi Escort Premium G na Two Brothers Way nebikorwa ba Sim Trading Limited. Ye mucyara to vuga tugende
mwami wano manya wanyakaga nyumwazi orekente mbe pinjende
hati nanywa aganda masya Escort Premium Flavored Gin nuko huri
akakagureka
amarwa tigari kunyibwa basi emyaka 18 nywa n'obwegendesereza
olina omutwe oguluma emimiro egiruma ebinywa amannyo oba omusujja waliwo Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera genda olabe omusawo.
Mugacenshira gecweke eki omuhwezi wa RDC bwashema hamwe n'orukurura eby'obushobozi na za sako mu district egi nabarabura abantu okuguma batamuje ekibaro kihikire baba nibaza kurya za roni okwenda kwetantara okubarashashureza heza kubaremerera kishangirwe ngo abantu bamwe nibarya za roni batabandize kubaraje ahi barihe sente zo kushashura no bakubabina omusingo.
Ebyagambwe erizoba mukoro gwo kutendeka ba delegates ba Kishenye Sako omuri Kashekuro omugombora ya Kitagato muri Shema district team.
Hanyuzi options zikuwasa kulabamu kutunga sente etali road. For instance, abantu abinemisha oyo mwana wawe ayesente each. Eni kabiri kachukumi kabiri katano zijawo ziri redundant. No basaku zowe kamada pereza bere makunyari hawo kwezi zizakuzikara.
Ndamazima mutabashereka babaza kuza kwakira seri babazima ko kurani yo kuzishashura karata kungire kurani yo kuzishashura ababore kire kuzitwara ahubwo ko kuzitwara ko isobe ryakuratamo urende ko utaniriye kubaza.
Obwati government ya Uganda yaherize kuteka umukono musako ya Kishenyi okutungura omuntu wa burijo.
Projects ibiri student benefit from government ya solar hamwe ya gas. Muri ukora yamwe twara gas akakozesa ubugabiti byo kama kuyatano bizasiba mugambira abantu tugabiti chire cyekoze
no targeting aringashi tureba kugira ngo omuntu waburija rwo mu idara azo muri ngo principle ya sako yu 28 kumanyaje ngo ni member benefit tuine kurebka ngo member na benefit ngo musako eji directly.
The sako membership has also increased by members bakeyongera ba sako. Savings culture has improved. There's the whole kukongera ahamutindo go kubika.
Ahari abo abarukuriya za loan zikabarema oyishashura hine ntanda eyibakomerwa.
Nchenda ngo waza kuriya loan ubu ine intasiya irikuza kushashura loan. Ubundi noshanga umuntu yari ya loan yaza kugura smartphone ningubundi yari ya loan yaza twarumbara yazinya. Ngako kuza kurya roni oyine purpose uri kumanyuti ninza kugura embuzi ninganye no mwana gwanje ninza kugura kasasuro kunkubushoro mu mwana ninshashora roni nico baje munonga.
Niho yerekerezo oyetezo koro abo kuba tuza kwija tubihe bishobora biza kurwaho n'ubwayo turebuta kwenda kuzuka tuzo mu mateka.
Obwahati Kishenyi Sako yasi abamemba kashanzwe igana kagana bana na share capital ya bilioni 1 na milioni 353 gasha kwa Michael atwakire.
Amashomero ga government mu district Singiro gasimerwe abukora gibigezo by'icyamushanju hebeherize kushohora okutanaho n'emyaka na ehingwire konkaba abaruga kurira bashabwe kongera mu amani kureba ngo bakora ryo kucaraho.
Okusimoku kwiruye abarokora by'obwegese n'abembezo mu district Singiro obabiri nibabugana abarokora amashomero ga government bakuru b'amagombora na za town council aha kutema empendo kwa amashomero ga government gakubasa kora kurungi.
Madam, when you compare the performance of the 3 years, we have the 2024, 2023, 2022. No ever sincerely have progression na completion.
Amashomero ga government nuko gagereza gukora kurungi munonga icyo kureberaho ka St Joseph cyabero ko primary school hamwe na gayaza mixed primary school agakushanga muri Singiro amashomero ga government nuko gina abana bebembire kandi tugerezeho computing munonga poranga amashomero ga private school zitunga government abo kutereza capitation grant n'imishara y'abashomesa performance yiti yazahigu
warebo kuri nyuma ibintu biri bitakutambura kurungi konka list tataro improvement kandi shabena n'amashomero imwe amashomero abatabasize gukora kurungi basaba county chiefs mwene kutamamani okumekinga shwangu mwakwasa ba inspectors
twakwatanisa twena nka stakeholders twatayira amashomero ago twareba ikizibu icyango kiringahe.
Ebi no birabe biri bityo haruha amashomero agatarakozirije kandi uburemezi wabwegekeriro kutagira abashomesa barukumara n'uburaro bw'abashomesa icyo mukuru w'abakozi hamwe na mukuru w'entebe ya katana wa district Isingiro Aaron Turahi bagizire ngo nikija kurara cyakorwaho.
Accommodation is still determined. All schools, if I can say, few houses for staff. Are we together? Because the program that we have now, we are using little money, we are getting 170 to construct classrooms.
Twasanga muri siteganisa abashomesa bo kutamba urugendo ruringwa urwo mu trading center yo kwambatura ningo bunda bakuturuma kagabo mwe twikirizana nabwe nka team nke education tuzakuronda akasente kukureba ngo esente twayombeka uburaro bw'abashomesa.
Umugandi abeja bari kushomera mu matendekero gahiguru abarukurwa mu kazo hamwe na Kiruhura bashabira kweyicerezamo kandi bakisiga mukama okushaba kwirwe Ruth mushabero joki obwabira y'umujyi mukuru akushaba ko mutano okwetabirwa mabeji ba must BSU hamwe na handi
abunare nabeji bari bakutonga bahati bari nyenda kubakabya ubwo byona bemeze bukabo ubwo kusira mununga bakore bine isenderwa hati there are many graduates abana beja bayigeza degrees when bakore ubisija kubaca abo mutano kwija kubaguza mukatare bargahapa
joki ushabe kandi yatwero umugisha yija abo kuba twetwine nshonga zitunge myeto yakigurana kazo zitwegenda kushobora.
Stuart Amanya uri umurambuzi w'amashomero bwa Northankore Diocese abashabero kureka kwegayo mu kushoma kwabo.
No basanzwe nyowe edini yake nyonge murakoze wo mwichelse kokegero kwara cyaba kugwire no korweka ahubwo byo murokore wo mwichelse to kusasa yaba mugetigetse no basanga no egaba ngo byo kusai yes byo kusai murokore wo kusai wo msimiki kokegero yo no kora yaba takusheneza mukama to kusanga
Wishimira Rwanda Stuart from Northankore Diocese aho tugarama mani yatwaburanke itumyeto aho twahuro okugaruka busya
inda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Ruth Nwamanya.
Mugandi omukikuru narukwago Joseline
omukikurogo ashabira bebembezo kumuhwera akabasa kutunga kasimo ko ashabira bebembezo kumuhwera akabasa kutunga kasimo ko mushijawe
ababicira umugabo ngo bakuzitse kare babareho umugabo gwa macura wawe bagukwase ukwase macura wawe na neshoza yiwabira umuyika umugabo go mwana macura
kandi wasuronsire no macura bunyene nugwe nyene nugwe yasuronsire kusya obu fayiro buyakinyikira
okurugirira mu kikurogu omutabana hato namutina siriza burukwara kumushaba sentezi
tukaronda sente za shwimwe omutuka yabona ngwito tutwine sente mukoro ku mwana atubito nofache na sente ate nifachi twaturiyo mukubona bona hata wekirwa noyaga gututazoronda
ganiro na tumusime orukugamba kuba yarire sente za pension kandi ebi nibyo tugambire ahashongeje
koza mnot happen my mother yona bona akai nicho banza burire ayona bona no ayo manda utakaja mawini wakorebyo nugu mushichogo mawari yona bona nyembe ni murebera umushamguze kibanze cyastwaya cyakiri
omugandi emitero kushika 250 ebirwe muri katete mbarra kandi abatura bahabwirwe okureka kutema emiti batabyirendeje okubyara imiteji kubire kwebembirwe Vanessa Naturinda omyanya nka Katete Primary St Mary's na Katete Church of Uganda.
Echo kubanza nethereza oxygen yitu gukora ki yitu kwisya nethereza ki ekibunda edarke kora ki ethereza injura
cyo kurebera twine global warming twine umushana mwinji tuhe kuhinduka desert abo kugira ngo twine miti mbwe mu campaign age mukama jukere mu mugisha
mukuru wa Katete Primary School muhaye mashomero agatungira imiteji asimira intekateka Ivan shatandikireho n'ekigendererwa cyo kurinda ibyo bahangwa
kandi nsiga nzaguma ntirinda ikure kandi n'abandi bindi byo kuturetera kandi bashaka ni mwije Katete School Primary School is open.
Ageye mzana nugo gakurata.
Mbarara Institute for Social Development ishomero eryatandikira umwaka gwa 2019 kandi rya mwanya gwariyo omuri Mbarara aharuguto rwaza kabare omutawuni ya Ruti bakwiniro bwegese burungi aharurengo rwa certificate hamwe na diploma omashomo nka secretarial, accountancy, journalism and mass communication, electrical engineering, civil engineering, automotive mechanics, ICT, hotel and institutional catering, agriculture and animal production, fashion and design n'agandi mengi. Ebyemizano hamwe no kutina ruhanga niba bikwatisa mani okwehandisa ni kugenda omumisha ishomero.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hey, Nkowe High School. Now want to funye wo muwanguzi or MTN Momo. Ye wangu the school fees ezo mwaka mulamba tebereza. Hey, owuliro otya mutima kati.
Banange sanyu byenye nali amochi wago nyanjaga nyangu amali walonze erinyo.
Eshishi?
Njani awangula school fees.
Eza Momo.
Eza Momo.
Ezo mwaka mulamba.
Okumalo mwaka mulamba de musanyu.
Oh my goodness.
Banange MTN mwene yanza ne yanze.
Wanji?
Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala.
Nkubiriza muzadde munange yonna gy'oli. Wallahi sasulia school fees for Momo Pay.
Dial *165 *80 hash. Select option 2 for school pay. Select option 1 to pay school fees. Enter the student number and amount and approve the transaction. You are now entered a draw to win school fees for your child for a whole year.
I wake up full of life. Through every dream, you're a form I feel alive. Sleeping takes your place. It's the beauty of the morning. I rise like the sun. You're a form, does it better. You're a form, sleep better.
Okubyama kwawe kurungi nekyo mugasho mnonga ahamagara gawe. Oye chajinjena n'omufariso gwa Euroform rero oyo mucho ina mani buri kasheshe.
Euroform. Sleep better.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu skin. Cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly, all day.
Selfie.
Thirsty for more? Buy a Pepsi 300ml or a Pepsi Max 330 and win lots of prizes. Check under the cap. What you see is what you win. Redeem from a Pepsi depot or a truck countrywide. Terms and conditions apply. Pepsi, for the love of it.
abakapiteni abarebemberwa mutebi Viola Nambi kandi naiza kwa nahwerwaho Fazila Ikwaputi no mukwasi wa goal Ruth Aturo.
We really need your support. I think against the under 17s against Namibia, you could count the supporters that were there. We really need them to come out. This is Crested Cranes. This is the senior women's national team. The best players will be displaying their skills and talent against Ethiopia. And the fact that there's such a rivalry between Uganda and Ethiopia, I really think we're going to need that 12 men.
Omuzano gwa Uganda na Ethiopia nyenchakare n'ugwo ruzano rwo kubanza omumpakeza wa AFCON qualifiers kandi timu zombi bizagaruka mukwatana omuri Addis Ababa. Empakeza wa AFCON 2026 nezo kwiza kubaho mwako guru kwiza omuyihange rya Morocco.
Umugande empaka za Europa League nizigaruka mu hukuzano kireye kinemizano 8 kandi umubyeyi John haza kuba harimo hugwa Real Sociedad erupta isa Midland ya Denmark.
Omuzano gwa Real Sociedad erukwitana Midland ya Denmark mukaga. Sociedad tena bazane batana abamana barimo Amantini Zubumendi hamuna na Hamali Traore Owamari Jim.
Gacencure gahendereraho nikwendezo kuraraki.
Bereba ne kuchibwaho Gituzi Farm Company Limited, Tina Events, hamwe na Exodus Schools.
Program okombereba. Yes, murumuta. Banywano banje. Konka kando okombereba. Abantu mbareba TV West. Mbagireba yoho Tina kwatsa kuza bakabara koreba. Yore umuntu mwazira twito bukuza kwese imisingiro atirisiyo nakane kumanya ati nterekanya ati kwaza kwese mba president yori Museveni konka hinkubasa kugura porotona nimbasa kugura yonye simba konto nubamanya abwa TV West ne hinda Chituzi drink ntwenda kubebaza mwebare mnonga moromogumu koze and we are really very grateful. Akachupa ni siringi 10 nabwecho mugendeyo munywe mutunge obutinji. Exodus Schools aba bombekira amashomero nito bagombekire mutwara abana banyu. Registration is going on Wakiso Road Hoima. Yes, Wakiso Hoima Road. Tina Events aba nubo bonka abine mega tents wananda kuzireba no kugenda ombugenyi bwaba giga okareba higuru kaje twonka Yesu. Ona season sente zinga. Yes, nicho chukumanyiza. Umwana ukamuhingira na wakiza kwanga na Yesu ke bitarabiri akajatereka ngwa. My God. Trump no bakusharaka twimenu shemwe ambazi ya ARVs tine tukuba abakwa nito tukoremba embazi ya ARVs omu Uganda. Ntukore mbazi ya ARVs omu Uganda. Yes. Abantu mahanga gatetore nito tukubaguza. Hati Trump na Israel. Nito turake kumuha. Karata, hey, abantu baza na bafa batakantu inembazi nito tukujukora. Hinkoko mtu akugira ati nyenda kubagambara ati Uganda yaza kwitwenjara. Itwe. No way you from to speed. No baza continue sendonga enjara. Ataka guraga chitoche kachoka ko muri mbara no ntinsa ngo nitweja no at least not with us abakuruga kuno nabo cyari manyi hangariyanyu majetiza manyi ihangariya bakatugira bata ngo covid neza kutera twena ntiza kushanga baguruke mirambo amuhanda bakaguruka gwo tubo babere mbazi kise byoma abo turiyo mu ihanga rukwemarira wanyetegereza ntabwo nakacerwa akanazagabo atwiraho buyambika long time ago in Bethlehem abo kwa we have enough twine oiro yita patanja ugitimba ejo tukazi kwasiro so it is a matter of kuchendeza expenditure kebere nagambirijo esente zo kugenda habinte bitakweta cece cyonga umuntu mwago kurambura atinga campaign zona makusiba na sese ngo abantu biza kureba politics no kubagurira byo kuri no kora umuntu aza TV aba dressing aza ready aba dressing abagambire cyakuza gukora just kuchendeza mucyonga ubururu bwono bwa Uganda bakabutera izo baruma tikinga president chairman president tikinga MP Ramram tikinga chairman RC5 speed gumano tikinga oti pako ikiraka kibare RC1 wanyetegere so ubururu bwona babukora izo bantu aho ntwa twa saving sent ko cyetegere so bari abatsaro ba America batso tino kutukuba mureke kutimisa abantu hate no omuntu agira yete hatamza kora abantu basirimo mbagwansa ata mbagoho batatwine mbazi so imabi nakakoko akaka koleta sirimu amuntu atabatinisa akaba yomba gamba tomanye mbazi hekuruka no jimbazi rokane yarusha nabo mukundi yanga lyanyu abanyarwanda makundi yanga lyabo that's why imwe no mugambe lyabo no romonti ate bya Tanzania mwini kichi Tanzania chukorwa takarenga gakagera mwini nka Kenya toko nge bitu tukora ibyo Kenya toka gukora ayishuwa Kenya no hamani nabwo tukundi hanga gitu tumanye bikorwamo biza kutereza obusingi koka mjenyo tinagarukira nagarukira nikanyambuke Katete. Yes, Katete urutindo rwitu bakakora ati katugenda hariho jamu kuza Katete aba traffic ni mu mugire mu cikoreho nokwe kubera iwe no birebo
kumbireba yabane ku kigo Gituze Farm Company Limited, Tina Events hamwe na Exodus Schools.
Step up with DSTV and we'll show up by giving you more incredible entertainment.
Well, that's it for me.
Upgrade your subscription between the 13th of January and the 31st of March and get an even higher package for a whole month on us.
What a day he's having!
There's nothing better than putting a little bit in but getting a lot out.
The brothers-in-law just got to town.
Relax, everybody. I'm here.
I've heard good things about you. Don't let me down.
Step up and we'll show up on your home of entertainment, DSTV.
I wake up full of life. Through every dream, you're a form of feeling light. Sleeping takes you places. It's the beauty of the morning. I rise like the sun. You're a form, does it better. You're a form, sleep better.
Okubyama kwawe kurungi necho mugasho mnonga ahamagara gawe. Kurungi necho mugasho mnonga ahamagara gawe. Oye chajinje na nomfariso gwa Euroform. Rero oye mucho inamani burikasheshe.
Euroform. Sleep better.
The Uganda Communications Commission is here to protect integrity for our entertainment spaces. We want a safe, respectful environment for everyone. By working together with artists, event promoters, local governments, and security agencies, we are ensuring that public entertainment stays within the bounds of public morality and law. Under the Stage Plays in Public Entertainment Act, the Commission now requires all event organizers to secure an entertainment permit before staging any performance or advertisement. Getting your permit is easy and can be done online through our e-services platform. Security agencies, including the Uganda Police, will be verifying permits using our new QR code system, ensuring that only authorized events take place. Together, we can create a positive entertainment environment that reflects our values and keeps us proud. Secure your permit today. This message is brought to you by the Uganda Communications Commission. Communication for all.
Osmosis again. Osmosis tried to pay. Money wasn't enough. He checked every pocket. Money wasn't enough. Osi, we're sorting it. With the momo, we're sorting it. Osmosis checked again. Money still not enough. He looked everywhere. Hey, but Chief, what is going on? Osi, we're sorting it. With the momo, we're sorting it.
Sita za uzazi takumara. We sorting na MTN momo. Kwa momo app ninga shonyege star igana kaga ni 5 star 5 hash ukongeraho na momo advance kandi ushashure biruzi usindike sente ninga shogure bundles.
Olina omutwe oguluma, emimiro egiruma, ebinywa, amannyo oba omusujja. Waliwo Kiramo Plus. Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyambako mbuto eziruma. Asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12. Obulumi bwe bweyongera, genda olabe omusawo.
Porogaramu egi obuhabuzi bw'omuziire n'obwetaago.
Akazano Wildflower nikakuchibwaho Kazire Red Tonic hamwe na Kazire Power Tonic, Headaid hamwe na Jessa Bonga Yogurt.